Indoor gardening has become increasingly popular, providing enthusiasts with the ability to cultivate plants year-round. A grow tent is an essential component for any serious indoor gardener, as it creates a controlled environment to promote healthy plant growth. With a myriad of options available, choosing the right grow tent can be daunting. This video reviews the top 5 grow tents available on AliExpress, highlighting their features, benefits, and what makes them stand out. Number 1. Vivison 48" by 48" by 80" Mylar Hydroponic Grow Tent. The Vivison Mylar Hydroponic Grow Tent is a versatile and popular option for both novice and experienced growers. With dimensions of 48 inches by 48 inches by 80 inches, it offers ample growing space for a variety of plants, making it suitable for both home and commercial setups. The tent's construction includes a heavy-duty, durable frame that supports the weight of lights and other equipment. Its interior is lined with 100% reflective mylar material, which enhances light efficiency, ensuring that every corner of the tent receives adequate illumination. In addition to its spacious interior, the Vivison tent features multiple ventilation ports that accommodate fans and filters, allowing for optimal air circulation and temperature control. The tent is designed for easy assembly, meaning you can set it up quickly without any specialized tools. Whether you're growing vegetables, herbs, or flowers, this tent provides the perfect environment for successful indoor gardening. Key features: durable construction, made from high-quality Oxford fabric, this tent is tear-proof and light-proof, ensuring a secure environment for your plants. Reflective mylar interior. The 100% reflective mylar lining increases light efficiency, promoting faster and healthier plant growth. Multiple ventilation ports. Features several ports for fans, filters, and ducting, providing flexibility in air circulation management. Easy access, equipped with large doors and windows for convenient access and monitoring of your plants. Heavy-duty zippers, ensures a snug fit and prevents light leaks, creating an optimal growing environment. Number 2. Apollo Horticulture 48 inches by 24 inches by 60 inches Grow Tent. The Apollo Horticulture Grow Tent is a compact yet efficient choice for those who have limited space but still want to engage in indoor gardening. Measuring 48 inches by 24 inches by 60 inches, this tent is perfect for cultivating a smaller number of plants. The robust frame is designed to withstand the weight of various lighting systems and ventilation equipment, making it a reliable option for any grower. The interior is lined with high-quality reflective material, ensuring that your plants receive maximum light exposure, which is crucial for healthy growth. Apollo Horticulture has designed this tent with user-friendliness in mind. Easy access doors and windows allow for hassle-free monitoring and maintenance. The affordability and effectiveness of this grow tent make it a favorite among beginners and seasoned growers alike. Key features: compact size, ideal for small spaces, making it suitable for apartments or limited areas. High-quality materials, constructed with durable materials that can endure wear and tear. Excellent light reflection. The reflective interior promotes efficient light usage for enhanced plant growth. Easy to assemble, quick setup without the need for specialized tools. Versatile usage, works well with both soil and hydroponic growing methods. Number 3. Gorilla Grow Tent 2 feet by 2.5 feet. The Gorilla Grow Tent 2 feet by 2.5 feet is a premium product known for its outstanding durability and versatile features. Crafted with a thick, high-quality canvas, this tent is designed to withstand the rigors of indoor gardening. Its robust frame ensures stability, allowing for the installation of heavier lighting systems. One of the standout features of this tent is its adjustable height, which provides additional flexibility for growing taller plants. Inside, the tent is lined with a superior reflective material that maximizes light absorption, essential for promoting healthy plant growth. This grow tent is often praised for its heavy-duty zippers and reinforced stitching, ensuring a perfect seal and a completely light-proof environment. For serious gardeners looking to invest in a long-lasting solution, the Gorilla Grow Tent is an excellent choice. Key features: adjustable height, the tent can be extended to accommodate taller plants as they grow. Sturdy design, features a strong frame and thick material that can support heavy equipment. Premium zippers, heavy-duty zippers provide a secure closure, preventing light leaks. Easy access, designed with large openings for easy access to plants. Excellent ventilation, equipped with multiple ports for fans and filters. Number 4 iPower 48-inch by 24-inch by 60-inch Mylar Grow Tent. The iPower Mylar Grow Tent is a solid choice for growers looking for an affordable yet effective indoor gardening solution. With dimensions of 48 inches by 24 inches by 60 inches, this tent is well suited for small to medium-sized gardens. It features a sturdy frame that can support various types of lighting setups, ensuring a stable environment for your plants. The tent's reflective mylar interior is designed to maximize light distribution, enhancing plant growth by providing even light coverage. iPower has incorporated multiple ventilation options in this tent, allowing for effective airflow and temperature regulation. The user-friendly design, including easy access doors and large viewing windows, makes it convenient for growers to monitor their plants without disrupting the environment. This grow tent is an excellent option for anyone wanting to get started with indoor gardening without breaking the bank. Key features: affordability, a cost-effective option for beginners and hobbyists. Durable frame, constructed with robust materials that support heavy equipment. Reflective mylar interior, increases light efficiency, promoting healthy plant growth. Multiple ventilation ports, allows for flexibility in air circulation and temperature control. User-friendly design, easy to assemble and provides convenient access to plants. Number 5 QuickTent 48 inches by 48 inches by 80 inches Grow Tent. The QuickTent 48 inches by 48 inches by 80 inches Grow Tent offers a spacious and effective solution for indoor gardening enthusiasts. Designed for serious growers, this tent provides ample room for multiple plants and various types of equipment. Its heavy-duty frame ensures stability, while the thick fabric construction keeps light in and pests out. The interior is lined with high reflectivity mylar, which maximizes light efficiency and helps promote optimal plant growth. One of the standout features of the QuickTent Grow Tent is its innovative design that includes multiple observation windows, allowing for easy monitoring of plant health without the need to open the tent. The tent also boasts efficient ventilation options, ensuring that air circulates effectively, which is crucial for maintaining the right temperature and humidity levels. This tent is a great investment for both hobbyists and serious growers alike. Key features: spacious design, offers plenty of room for multiple plants and equipment. Heavy-duty frame, built to support the weight of lighting systems and other gear. Reflective mylar interior, enhances light efficiency, helping plants grow healthier and faster. Observation windows, allows for easy monitoring without disturbing the environment. Effective ventilation, features multiple ports for optimal air circulation. Conclusion: choosing the right grow tent is crucial for achieving successful indoor gardening. The 5 tents reviewed in this article offer a range of options to meet different needs and preferences. From the durable Vivison Mylar Hydroponic Grow Tent to the premium Gorilla Grow Tent, each product provides unique features that cater to various types of growers. By understanding the key attributes and benefits of each tent, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your gardening goals. Happy growing!